Get a such. This is a chicken baguette. You can use olive baguette, chicken baguette. I said chicken baguette. This is an olive baguette. You can use a plain baguette. Right. I love this knife. That's
You're
why
making a chicken baguette.
Yes.
That's why you said it, yes.
I'm sorry.
Well, this is a chicken baguette. This is just without the chicken in it. We're making a chicken baguette,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Okay, this is the chicken. The video before this, I cooked the chicken.
Where can we find that video?
Huh?
Where can they find the video?
Get a such.
Uh,
I don't know.
in the description.
In the description.
Yes, we'll put it there for you. Okay.
I make it like this, but you can use anything you like. Put the tomato, bit of sea salt, bit of pepper. I made some eggplants, which I'll show you on the video of this, how to make it.
So why are you shaking it?
So the excess oil comes out. I mean, you can put it in a towel, paper towel, and get all the oil out as well, which I can show you. As you can see, all the oil is out. Squisito. Very nice. Okay, I've got some lettuce here that I washed before, that I put in a paper towel and soak all the water out. Like I said before, you can use whatever you like on it, whatever rocket or mixed lettuce. You can put mayo, chili mayo, and all that stuff as well, which I forgot. So let's try again. Oh, sorry. I got no more. Ooh, too much. Freaking hell. Oh, Dio mio. Put a bit of this one. Chili and mayo. Since we ran out of the other one. Shh. There you go. There you go. And that's what it looks like inside. Simple and easy. See you next time. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao.
Au revoir or ciao ciao?
Ciao, ciao. We're Italian, so we say ciao, ciao.